Good morning to everyone. Today I'm going to share some views on tariff. So basically the question arises that what are tariffs? So tariff is basically a border tax in which when goods are import or export to a country, then the government applies some extra fees that are called as tariff. Some points on tariffs are main headlines of tariffs are US to impose 100% tariff on Chinese goods, and on October 10, 2025, US President Donald Trump uh, imposes 100% tariff on Chinese goods, and on recently US President Donald Trump also imposes 50% tariff on Indian goods, which will affect textile.
BRICS is a group of 5 countries: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Earlier, there were only 4 countries, and after 4 years, South Africa also joined them in 2010. And BRICS aim to provide sustainable development between these 5 countries. BRICS also aim to reduce the dominance of US dollar among the world. And the 15th summit will be held in South Africa. The first summit was held in China, Beijing, and it also uh, it also reduces the dominance of IMF and World Bank all over the country and aims to introduce their own.
And all present here. My name is Saksham Minas, and I am today going to give my views on the BRICS. It's a good group of countries which mainly consists of the countries like Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. So, what is the BRICS summit in October 2024 proposed that there will be the use of local currency instead of the foreign currency in the international market. To the response to this proposed BRICS currency, US President said that the BRICS could face 100% tariff and in replace of US dollar. Whereas on further, India said that there are no intentions to weaken the US dollar in the international market. Why? Why is there is the need of new currency? It will reduce the transaction cost and eliminate the need of foreign currency, and it would also reduce the dominance of the dollar dominate 90% of the global trade countries and lead to the this will lead to the economic instability in our economies. And further, the use of BRICS currency could also face the struggle to access major committees to import goods and repay debts. This will result in fostering growth in local markets and boosting trade. Why this introduced? US blocked because US blocked Iran and Russia from SWIFT, that is Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, and which reduces the vulnerability to the external economic pressure. What were the geopolitical reasons for the use of BRICS currency? The Brazil and Russia they were seeking greater autonomy from US influence, and what will be the risk of the integration? And because China promotes the use of yuan, that is their own currency, and which will make them the leading traders in the international market. And there is also many implementation challenges, and there are some liquidity issues. There will be US dollar is highly liquid and accepted by all the countries, whereas the BRICS currency doesn't consist of many countries, and the BRICS currency may not offer same level of liquidity to in the international market. Thank you.